Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can learn to code while being able to win cash prizes. So when I started out coding, I always wanted a place where I could practice along with friends, where I could compete against friends to see who has better skills, and that would make things more interesting while learning how to code. And I recently made a video about Sookshmath, which is exactly the same thing. So Sookshmath is a social media platform for education. So you have Instagram, you have Facebook, and then you have Sookshmath, which is entirely for education for coding, which makes things more interesting while learning how to code. So I'm going to tell you about their game, which is called Beyond Knowing. So Beyond Knowing is a game that tests you on your coding skills, and if you perform well in the game, you can even earn cash prizes. So you can earn cash prizes of up to 5,000 per month every month that you take part in the game. The game happens daily, and it's a great way to not only learn how to code, to test your skills, to improve upon your skills, but to also earn an extra buck on the side. And like I said, you can practice along with friends there, you can compete against friends there, and that would make coding more interesting for you, especially if you're a beginner. So you can improve your skills, you can learn how to code, and you can even earn some extra money on the side. So it's a great way to upskill yourself, like I said, especially if you're starting out how to code. And now let me show you what is Beyond Knowing, how you can take part in it, how you can earn the cash prizes. Let me show you everything in details. So guys, this is Sookshmath, like I mentioned in the video. So it looks something like this. This is my account, as you can see. So we can send follow requests to one another like you can in any other social media website. And now let's move to Beyond Knowing the game. And now let's move to Beyond Knowing the game. You can find it here. So here in the points table, you can see your points and the points of other people. So you need to set your tag. So for us, the tag is Engineering CS. So let me go to the results section and show you what the game is all about. So for participation, you can just go to Beyond Knowing. So this is the result. So you have results on a daily, weekly, and a monthly basis. So at the end of each day, the result is announced and you get points. And in the end of every week, you get points. At the end of every month, you get points. And there are several other things for which also you can get points. For example, if you're one of the most disciplined participants, meaning you take part regularly, or if you're a daily participant, which means that you take part every day, then you'll get these rewards. So for example, let me click on daily rewards to show you. So first I need to select the tag. Like I mentioned, for us the tag is Engineering CS. So as you can see, we have Pooja Sharma, who was on top with 64 points, followed by Harsh Kumar and Ashwarya MG, and this is the reward that they got. So this girl, Pooja Sharma, earned ₹74 in a single day based on her result in the game on December 17, which is just one day back. December 18 game is going on. So game starts after 10 o'clock. And then there's daily rewards. Then on top of that, you have weekly rewards. On top of that, you have monthly rewards. And on top of that, you have other rewards as well. So let me show you how you can score in the game. So there are 4 activities that you can do. First one is the quiz. So you can play one technical quiz of 20 questions that gives 27 points. So if you complete the quiz, you will get 27 points. After that, if you post one coding MCQ on your wall, so like I mentioned in my other video, you can here post MCQ, post articles, etc. So if you post one MCQ, then you'll get 10 points. So as you can see, and this is the point by Sookshmath store. This is the point of the post. So if you post one MCQ, you'll get 10 points. This is the post of comment. So if you go on any post and if you comment or if you answer someone's question, then you'll get 10 points. And this is for clap. So if you clap or if you read someone's post, then you'll get point on that as well. And then this here is the bonus point. So it's a pretty simple game. It's very easy to perform well in the game, especially now that there's not a lot of participants. The game is relatively still new. So you can take part in it, and like you can see here, you can get a decent cash prize. So if I show you monthly rewards, so again in Engineering CS, you can see that this is the reward that these people got. This guy got a reward of 2,700 this month. On top of that, he would also be getting the daily reward, the weekly reward, and the other rewards that were there. So the total reward can get you up to 5,000 to 6,000 every month. And not only this, you can even become a mentor student. So you have the opportunity to become a mentor student in the game, for which you'll be getting scholarship and extra money ranging from 1K to 6,000 per month every month. And how you can become a mentor, what are the eligibility for that? I'll be making another video. So in a nutshell, this game will help you gain discipline in your daily learning So for this game, you'll be working daily, you'll be reading about coding daily. This will help you in decision making skill, like which point you need to work on to get on the top of the leaderboard. This will even help you with your collaboration and team leading skill, your communication, and overall, you'll not only be preparing for your academics, but you'll also be prepared for your interview and industry. And you can participate in this game using my referral. So that is the best part. Like if you take part in Beyond Knowing, you need a subscription that will normally cost you $4.99, but for this month you'll be getting the entire subscription with 99% discount. So you don't have to pay anything. You can take part in the game for the entire month of December and you can get a decent cash prize for that. So you can click the link in the description. You can follow my referral code as shown in the description and as shown in the screen, and you can follow it, take part in the game, earn some money, and learn new things as well. So go check out Beyond Knowing and use my referral code and get 99% discount, which will not cost you anything. So that's it. Go check it out, and if you have any doubts, leave it in the comments. I'll be sure to answer. Thank you.